Hey girls, so today I'm going to be sharing my step-by-step silk press routine to achieve this look. First, we're starting off with some freshly washed hair. I washed it, conditioned it, deep conditioned it, detangled it, and now I'm just adding my leave-in conditioners, and I'm also putting it in 4 plaits all around my head. I know it looks a little crazy, but trust the process. Next, we're about to get into the blow dry. This is the product I think made the biggest difference, the Kenra's Blow Dry Spray, also my blowout brush, little moisturizer on the lips because we can't do dry lips. I took this down. I didn't have any product, y'all, but we're going to pour it out because we got to get through this, and I really wanted to use that product. Little YouTube, catching up on my girl Jenny Jags, love her. And so now I'm blow drying. One of the biggest tips I can give with this is to section your hair. Do it in sections, even the 4 bigger parts. I split into 2 other parts just so that I can be sure that my hair was super dry and prepared for flat iron. Right here, I'm trying to decide if I want a middle part or a side part. Went for a side part, and again, section your hair. I sectioned off the front of my hair, and then I went down the middle, and then I'm just going to work with a small section in the back and then continue moving up as I straighten. Now, I use the chase method, so I comb my hair a couple times, couple passes at the root, and bring it through. Here we go again. Couple passes at the root to make sure it's straight, and then I come down slowly, and then I do a second pass, and that's it. So one more time. This is just what works for me, and then I'm going to do this all around my head. I'm also going to be sharing all the products at the end of this video, or you can check the link in my bio for like to know. This is the point when I knew it was going to eat. So I'm just going to continue this all around. I love the shine, love the way all the products work together in my hair. So about halfway through, I use some bio silk on the back portion of my hair, and then we're going to start to focus on the edges. I take my smaller straightener and just get the edges, and then I'm going to section it again, super important, and knock out the front. Yes, love that. So anyway, I'm definitely going on a hair care journey. I really want my hair to be healthy. I want to take care of it, maintain it. The way these stylists are charging, girl, it is so important to know how to do your own hair. So I'm excited to share my journey here. I hope you guys will follow me. So yeah, this is how it turned out. Absolutely loved it. And here are the products. I went through these products so fast, so y'all be sure to click the link in my bio. So first, I used the entire Olaplex line, not the entire line, girl, the shampoo, conditioner, and the hair mask. Next is this macadamia oil mask that I got from TJ Maxx, 10 out of 10. Bio silk to kind of finish it. Design Essentials, that's a leave-in conditioner, and the Way leave-in conditioner. This Kenra product, I think, made the biggest difference. I have a Babyless Pro straightener that I've had for like 5 years, and this little one, don't know where it's from. This is from Walmart. Then we had somebody trying to get in my video. Bye. But yeah, I hope you guys like the look. Be sure to follow. Bye, guys.